Hi guys, welcome to another video where we will be talking about JavaScript roadmap to follow in 2023. Before moving on to the roadmap of JavaScript, we should know what is JavaScript. So, in simple terms, JavaScript is a scripting language that helps to make the web pages dynamic. Add life to those pages so that user experience increases. Such as if you go to YouTube, you click anywhere on the page and some tasks get triggered. This is feasible with the help of JavaScript. Or the thumbnail you click and the video plays. That is also done with the help of JavaScript. Or the game you play when your internet is down can also be created in JavaScript. Yes, that is what is JavaScript, and that is a very powerful language. So, in the current era, JavaScript is very vast, and in order to get command on the language, we definitely need to follow certain steps. So, moving on to the heart of the video, how will you learn JavaScript in 2023? We will divide our learning process in 4 parts. First, we will learn the fundamentals, and in second, we will learn about more advanced topics. And in the third part, we will see how web pages written in HTML take advantage of JavaScript to look dynamic. And in the fourth part, we will learn how to send and receive data from server. That is, how to make API calls. Now let's discuss in deep these 4 steps. In the first step, that is fundamentals. First, we will need to know what are the available versions of JavaScript out there and which version we will use. Basically, we will always use the latest version out there, but we should also know what was previously available. Then we need to know how to run JavaScript and what are the different ways we can run it. Then we will move on to create variable using different keywords like var, let and const, which are available in JavaScript, and also naming convention of the variables, like what rules to follow while creating a variable. For those of you who don't know what is a variable, it's simply used to store data in the program. Then we will also look into the concept related to variable like hosting and what is block scope, function scope, and what is a global scope. All these topics needs to be covered. Then we will move on to learn about different type of data types available in JavaScript, which are string, number, begin, boolean, and also null and undefined. After data types, you will be learning objects in JavaScript, how to create object, how to alter data in objects. Then you will be learning about typecasting in JavaScript, that is, how will you convert string to a number or number to a string, or even convert date to a string, etc. Type conversion is a small topic but really important. Then we will move on to learn operators in JavaScript. Operators are used to manipulate the data, like we do multiplication and addition in mathematics. Likewise, we will be using operators in JavaScript, which are arithmetic, comparison, assignment, logical, etc. Then we will learn conditional statement like if else, switch. Conditional statements are like if this happens then do this as do that. Real life example would be if it is raining outside, take the umbrella as leave it at home. Then we will learn about loops and iterations in JavaScript, which are for loops, do while loops, and while loop. Looping statements save a lot of developers' time. You will get to know once you start using them. Then we will learn what are functions in JavaScript and what is the purpose of creating function in JavaScript. How the effort is reduced using functions in our code. We need to learn how to declare a function, how to use them, how to pass parameters in the function, how to provide default value to function, and how to return value from a function. And also we will learn what are arrow functions. Guys, here we are done with the first part, that is fundamentals. Before moving on to the next part, I want to emphasize on practice part. You need to practice at least 5 to 10 programs on each topic to become good at it. Now moving on to the next part, that is advanced part, we will learn classes in JavaScript and how we can follow OOPS concept, that is object-oriented programming in JavaScript. We will learn how to create a class, inherit it, how to use multiple classes in single class. Then we will learn about closure in JavaScript, what is lexical scoping, and most importantly, we will also learn about the keyword this and why is it useful. We will also learn about array and create objects. Next, we will see what is asynchronous JavaScript, that is what are callbacks, promises, and what is callback hell, what is async await. We will see set timeout, set interval, clear timeout, clear interval, and also look into modules in JavaScript, how to name a module and how to export them. Here we are done with the advanced part. Third and fourth part are purely for the developers who want to move into the field of front-end development, that is creating websites, making web pages dynamic. For audience who want to become back-end developer, they need to learn Node.js for that purpose. In the third step, we will work with DOM. From here, we will be creating small web pages, and with the help of JavaScript, we will manipulate those pages. Like on a button click, we can change the background of the web page, or on a click of a button, we can redirect user to another page. Basically, we will learn about DOM manipulation. We will also look into how to create cookies, save data in the local storage and session storage in the browser. In the last part, that is fourth part, we will learn about working with APIs. That is how to request data from the server, how to send and receive requests from the server, how to send or create get and post request, and how to render data on the web page, and also create loader. For example, if some server take time to send the data, we will implement loader there. So guys, I want to emphasize on the practice part. You need to practice at least 5 to 10 problems on each topic you learn so that you become good at it. And thank you all for watching my video. That's it from my side.